High performers integrate their life and their work. In planning, they look at 5 areas of their life: self and health, family, relationships, work, and community. It's not about balance. Balance, by definition, is an equal measure. Never met a successful person who does things in equal measure. It's about priorities. How do you prioritize your health, your family, the relationships that are important to you outside of family, your work, and the involvement you have in community, however you define it? High performers excel at thinking through the interrelationship of those and then getting clear about their priorities. They integrate 3 R's that are critical. The first is recognition. They are self-aware. They have self-insight. The consequence of that is they are better self-managers. They allocate time to those things that are important to them. The second is resilience. If they fail, they get back up again and start over. And the third is routines. You have to establish routines related to self and health, your exercise routine, the things you do to take care of yourself, your family, the priority you place on that, the relationships that are important to you, the time you devote to work, and the activities that are more broadly based in community. It's all about the priorities you establish.